Hey Oksana, I'm with you, and let's talk about this challenge when you put your straight legs behind your head and then make a half bridge immediately. You need a great stretching for this. First of all, stretching of your back and neck. Why? Because I'll tell you, when you make this position, exactly this one here, you stretch your neck and your back and your legs. They are absolutely straight, okay? Everywhere in this challenge you need stretching. So first of all, for stretching, I will advise you this exercise where you can stretch all your body. Make half bridge, I call it. Okay, make first camel, then from camel make half bridge and fix your body here, and like this 50 times. Okay, you stretch. Also you need to stretch your neck, as I told you from the very beginning, and here I advise this exercise. Just stretch as much as you can. Then stand on your forefeet and make a cat. That is very good. After that, put your leg in front of you, down it, and lie down with your straight leg behind. Change. Lie down. Bend. Fix your body. Change. Bend. Fix your body. Doing all these exercises every day, your stretching will be good and you can make this challenge. Let's repeat it one more time. You can do it. You can do it.